Loved it.
Oh my god. Amy,
Clicking says, oh, thank you, yeah.
Too filling, they take it all.
Are they opening the bus?
Oh.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
What a touch.
Get it. My little baggie. I mean,
Rafting power!
we need to capture before and after photos.
We need to get a group shot.
Hello.
Yeah, I know, right? Just saying. Just saying.
You can go direct to what? Come to Dambulo like a drop with Jimmy and go to
I think he said we're going
There we go.
Okay, Mark, how excited are you?
I am very excited. I cannot wait.
Diana,
I'm quite excited about it.
Robin,
We're hiking, rafting along the Himalayan. I hope we don't fall in.
Let's go swimming.
Annie.
All that. We're
Yeah,
really
all
confident.
good, all
Go
good.
team! Go
I am
team!
so charged up by this.
Me too, and I'm getting someone big and strong to do all the rowing in my boat.
All the best.
Thank you.
In our language we call as a mocho. So I hope you guys will enjoy. So actually this river is the best for family trip and the first time experience.
Sunshine.
So rest of the four left versus like that. Right one. And rest of the four finger can you cover it. So this one T grip through the tip. So don't lose it. Always you have to cover your T grip nice and tight.
Close to the boat,
Yeah, man. Just keep somewhere like
to the
this.
boat.
So don't put the collar like this. Just put
close
up.
down.
Bingo.
The Venetian gondolas? You stand up, right? Venice? Gondola?
Yeah.